All right, guys, so we're doing an estimate today for a big church in the Savannah area. It's actually where I go to church and love it, but they have asked us to give an estimate for cleaning all of the windows all over this big place. So I'm out here today. We're going to do a walkthrough and we are going to determine what kind of price we're going to give. So we are doing all of the exterior windows on this building all the way around. They do not want us to go above that ledge, which is fine. So it will just be these windows and everything else that you see. The building apparently has been pressure washed recently. It does not look like it to me, as there are still a bunch of dirt daubers and debris all over, but should be a pretty straightforward job and pretty easy to quote. We will obviously be using a water-fed pull method on all of these windows, and we will be doing the interiors on this section right here. So there are no hard water stains anywhere on any of these windows, which is good. They do have quite a bit of buildup on the ledges, but definitely in need of a good window cleaning. And these will come out very nicely. As you can see, there are very few windows on the back of the building, which is nice. So that will save us some time back here. The other good thing about this job is when I was walking the property earlier with the operations manager, she said that they have a lift that we have access to throughout the entire process. So that is a plus, doesn't cost us a dime, and will allow us to get this done a lot sooner, a lot quicker, and a lot more efficiently. Not sure if you can see it, but there is a lot of debris buildup on a lot of these ledges. I'm almost thinking it might be more efficient to come in and pressure wash all the ledges off prior to using the water-fed pole. Food for thought. Give me a comment. Let me know what you think about that. All right, guys, I have seen everything that I need to see in order to quote this job. I'm going to be aggressive, but I'm also going to quote it for making a profit. Obviously, it is a church and we're going to take care of them, but this is a business and we're going to take care of us as well. I will let you know when we get this, and obviously we're going to film it because I think this would be a pretty good one to film. I'm estimating about 3 days to do this. 2 water-fed poles, 2 guys. We're going to have access to that lift that I showed you earlier. So this should be a pretty good job. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Definitely subscribe, give us a thumbs up, but more importantly, have a great day.